Every journey has an ending, and here, thousands of motorcycles reach theirs. But this is not the end. Before rebirth comes precision. Each piece is sorted, separated, and purified, because even the smallest impurity can destroy strength. Steel is broken down, not to destroy it, but to prepare it for transformation. At over 1600 degrees, metal loses its past and becomes pure energy in liquid form. Like liquid fire, it flows into new shapes. This is where form begins again. From chaos comes structure. The first shape of a future machine is born. Cooling is not just waiting, it's engineering at the atomic level. Precision defines power. Every tooth, every curve, engineered to perfection. Fire hardens the surface, while the core remains unbreakable. Strength is engineered, not given. Rough becomes refined. Imperfection is polished away. Every gear is tested, because failure is not an option. From scrap to strength, this is not recycling. This is rebirth.